Sonia with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations, and today I'm going to tell y'all this story while I open this. Of course, this is an unboxing, but I was trying to start organizing my craft room, and I'm trying to get these boxes out. So I see a box sitting on the floor, and I'm like, what is this box? It is a Diamond Art Club box with 4 canvases in it that I did not show for my Black Friday sale. So I have 4 more from the Black Friday sale, guys, that's coming to you. So the first one, this unboxing is, here she is. It's a square. Remember, I said all my Black Fridays were square canvases. So this one is called Mixing Magic by Christina Caron. I am so excited about this one. The hair on this girl is what made me really get it. She is just too cute. And then of course she's doing magic. Come on. Let's see. See how big she is. Whoa, I'm dropping everything. There's the canvas. Our picture. Our small one. And the kit. Alright, remember it is a square kit. So it comes with the sharp tweezers, the 4-placer, the drill pin, the squishy that goes over the drill pin, lots of baggies, 2 heart wax, and the boat. Y'all seen that? Alright. Put the little picture up here. I put it in my book. Let's look at this baby. Alright, this one. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Mixing Magic by Christine Caron. It is a square. It is 56 centimeters by 74 centimeters, which is 22 inches by 29 inches. There are 50 colors, and it looks like 2 ABs. Oh my gosh, isn't this beautiful? Let's get to it. Now, this reminds me of like maybe a Halloween time, but now I'm getting several for Halloween. So we'll see. All right, here's the beautiful drills that has the AB. Where is it? Okay, there we go. Mixing Magic. Inside, step-by-step instructions that has a 10% off coupon code. Let's get it out. And let's roll her backwards. Yeah, she is cute, guys. Nice size. I'm starting to see I like these sizes, but I like them all. I know y'all know I'm still working on canvases, but hey, that's the beauty of it. You take your time. Let's put these drills to the side so we can look at this baby. OMG. Look at her. Look at that hair. Y'all see what I mean? That fiery red hair. She is gorgeous. Look at that face. She's got some bats here, some garlic, some cloves. An owl on her shoulders, spider webs up here. That hair just, when I saw that hair in this shirt, I said, I remember when in my teens and 20s, I had these shirts on. Woo! Sexy. Then she got potion bottles back here. Got a kitty cat. She mixing up her potion. Look at her. Yes, girl, do that magic. Got a beautiful crystal necklace. Then when you go down, she got toads. Some mice here, a pumpkin looking kind of worried. The jack-o'-lantern looking kind of worried there. Then there's a mouse here. I am loving this canvas, guys. And I like how it's got the little sparkle, like there's the magic coming. Beautiful. And when I first saw it, I'm like, that hair is gorgeous. I love it. So just like Diamond Art Club fashion, there is a schematic on the bottom right, top left. Let's look at the stickiness. Very nice. On this side, and let's look at this drill feel. Look at that pumpkin. Look at that, the clarity on there. Then you can see the pasting area. When you say pasting area, it's telling you which part you can put drills on. So this is the entire canvas, guys. There is the information. Mixing Magic, Christine Caron, and Diamond Art Club. Yes. because you'll get some partials. I've seen a couple of partials in Diamond Art Club. I have not gotten any partials, but there are a couple of partials I've seen. And it'll say it on there, a partial. So make sure y'all are looking. It's not too many. They don't have too many. The majority is full canvases. All right, so let's flip this baby over. And let's look at these drills. I am so ready to see what we got. Put that there. How many trains do we have? 1, 2, 3. Yes, yes, 3 trains. All right, let's get to these babies. Get them the right way. All right, first we got 948, 317. Ooh, that's a pretty color. 3778, 939, 2 bags of 814, 758, 498, 754. 2 bags of 3371. And this looks like the 310 right here. Let's see. Yep, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of 310. 6 bags. And then 3865, like an off-white. The second train. All right, 3861, 413, 3860, 336, 740, my beautiful, lovely red, 312, 318, 823, 775, 779. Ooh, first AB, guys. That beautiful orange, that's got to go in her hair. Y'all see that? It's 133. Beautiful. 414, 756, 3799, 3841, 938, 3755, 334, 948. And then the last train, we should have the last AB on it as well. And here it is, the first one, guys. Little bit of pink. 124 AB. Little bit of pink AB. Beautiful pink. 742, 3607, 741, 905, 728, 3853, 647, 703, 895, 640, 904, 321, 3024, 3864, 648, 3772, 762, 322, and last but not least, 3830. Yeah, so let's see where these beautiful ABs go. There are 2. Look at my picture again. The first one is number 1, that 124, that little bit of pink, 124. Now as I turn it over, I'm like, this got to be it right here. Number 1, let's see. No, that ain't it. Number 1 pink. Let's see. Guys, I don't know where that little pink go. Number 1 pink. That is so weird. I could have sworn it was right there. Okay, no, that's not it either. Wow, where the heck is it? It's supposed to be standing out. Let's see. Oh, it's right under. I'm thinking this brighter pink, but there is a lighter pink right by it, guys. So it's right next to this bright pink that y'all could probably see. So that's why you only have a little bit. It's just right there. Well, y'all know that's not going to do for me. I got to have some more. It's probably going to be in her hair and on his nose and stuff like that. Maybe that pumpkin. I don't know. Oh, it's probably in that. All right, so the number 2, which we got that bag, which was 133, was that bright orange. And I know it's in her hair. That's the number 2. Yep, all in through this hair. Yes, I'm going to love it. All of this here. It's a mixture of colors, but yeah, that orange AB is in this hair, baby. Number 2. And let's see about in this pumpkin. Yeah, so it's already in the pumpkin. That's good. It's right here and right here. So that's just to make it pop a little bit, and in the nose, in the mouth. So none in the eyes. But yeah, that'll make this pop. I might do some green in this jar here. We'll just have to see once I'm doing it. But definitely the hair, the pumpkin, and these things here. So I have to see if that's enough. I'll probably put some white ABs in this little sparkle area here, whereas the magic is showing, the shine. I'll probably put some ABs there, white ABs. But this is so pretty, guys. Y'all let me know what you think. This one is called Mixing Magic by Christine Caron and Diamond Art Club. Please let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.